Hello, my friends. My name is Aura Raquel Store. I am 37 years old. I live in Sabana de Torres, Santander. I am study psychology. Exercise. Using the present perfect continuous, answer the following question. Have you been working for the same company for more than 5 years? Where have you been working? Yes, I have been working for the last year at Compubiki Company. Have you been exercising in the last year? What kind of exercise do you practice? Yes, I have been exercising for the past year. I have been practicing and playing basketball. Next exercise. Complete each sentence with the correct phrasal verb. I'm going to get back drinking beer. I'm so fat that I can't see my feet anymore. Rafa's taken a photography. He's just bought one of the latest and most expensive digital cameras. I don't know how my wife puts up with me. I drink too much. I am a bad husband and I am terrible person to live with. If you don't hurry, always miss the train. Transfer this sentence into reported speech. Sarah asks, "Are you busy tonight?" Sarah asks, "Is I was busy that night." I am working in a hospital, she said. She said that she was working in a hospital. We made a great dinner last night, he said. He said that they had made a great dinner the night before. Thank you.